Property. It's something everyone understands. It's a roof over your head, right? But it's also an exciting chance to grow your money. Unlike the stock market, which can feel like a gamble, property is tangible. You can see it, touch it, and even live in it. Investing in real estate can bring you extra income every month. Imagine a tenant paying your mortgage. Over time, your property's value usually goes up. This means you could sell it later for a tidy profit. Plus, owning a property gives you a sense of security. It's a solid asset that can benefit you for years to come. Don't be put off thinking it's just for experts. With a bit of guidance and enthusiasm, anyone can become a successful property investor. So, are you ready to build your property empire? Let's get started. Before you jump in, knowledge is power. Think of it like baking a cake. You wouldn't just throw ingredients together, would you? You need the right recipe. Start by researching your local property market. What are houses selling for in your area? Are prices rising or falling? Websites like Rightmove and Zoopla can be really helpful for this. Look at different neighborhoods too. Some areas might be up and coming, offering great investment potential. Think about what kind of property would work best in your chosen area. Are there lots of families? Then a family home might be a good option. Lots of young professionals? A stylish apartment could be a winner. Research is your secret weapon. It helps you make smart decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Now for the fun part. What type of property investor do you want to be? There are several paths you can choose from. One popular option is buy-to-let. This involves buying a property and renting it out to tenants. It's a great way to generate regular income. Another option is flipping. This is where you buy a property, renovate it, and then sell it on for a profit. It requires more work and upfront investment, but can be very lucrative. If you're not ready to commit to a whole property, consider real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These are companies that own and manage income-generating properties like shopping malls or office buildings. You can invest in REITs through the stock market, giving you exposure to real estate without the hassle of being a landlord. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. The best option depends on your individual goals, finances, and risk appetite. Section 4. Show me the money financing your real estate dreams. Now let's talk money. Unless you're sitting on a pile of cash, you'll likely need a mortgage to finance your investment. A mortgage is a loan specifically for buying property. The good news is there are loads of mortgage options available for first-time investors. Start by talking to a mortgage advisor. They can help you understand the different types of mortgages and find the best deal for your circumstances. They'll also guide you through the application process, making sure everything goes smoothly. Remember, getting your finances in order is crucial. Make sure you have a good credit score and a solid deposit saved up. The more prepared you are, the easier it will be to secure the financing you need. Section 5. Dotting the I's and crossing the T's, managing the risks. Like any investment, real estate does come with risks. But don't worry, most of these can be minimized with careful planning and due diligence. One of the biggest risks is buying in the wrong location. That's why thorough market research is essential. You want to make sure you're investing in an area with strong rental demand or good potential for appreciation. Another risk is unexpected maintenance costs. Being a landlord means dealing with leaky taps and boiler breakdowns. It's important to factor these costs into your budget. Consider setting aside a contingency fund for any surprises. Finally, it's crucial to have the right insurance in place. Building insurance protects your property from damage, while landlord insurance covers you for things like tenant disputes or loss of rent. By taking these precautions, you can protect your investment and enjoy peace of mind. Section 6. Ready, set, invest. Your first steps in real estate. So, you're ready to take the plunge? Fantastic! Start by setting realistic goals. What do you want to achieve with your property investment? Are you looking for short-term gains or long-term passive income? Once you know your goals, create a budget and stick to it. Don't overstretch yourself financially. Remember, it's better to start small and gradually build your portfolio. Next, find a reputable real estate agent who specializes in investment properties. They can provide valuable insights and help you find the perfect property. Finally, trust your instincts. If a deal feels too good to be true, it probably is. Don't be afraid to walk away if something doesn't feel right. Investing in real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay informed, and enjoy the journey.